Hey, it's Bill from CFG Merchant Solutions, and welcome to Small Biz Forum, where we help business owners succeed in the financial world. Today, I'm breaking down how to form a solid business plan in just 7 steps. Let's get into it. Step 1 will consist of your executive summary. The executive summary is the first and sometimes only part of your business plan that people will read. It is basically your elevator pitch for you and your business. Who are you? What do you do? And why does your business exist? Should be answered in this section. Step 2 will consist of your introduction. This is where you should go deeper and provide a high-level overview of your business, how it will be structured, and what your goals are for your business. Step 3 will consist of your business description. Here, you should describe your business, the specific product or service you will offer, and the features that make it special or different from your competitors. Analyze the competitive advantages and disadvantages of each. Step 4 will consist of your market analysis. Here, you should demonstrate why your business model is relevant and timely. This section should ideally include information about industry trends, your target customers, and their demographics, and your competitors in the region. The market analysis should highlight the opportunities for the company to achieve its goals by asking, to whom are you trying to sell? What are the trends in your target market? Who are your customers and what are their product service preferences and reasons for purchasing? Step 5 will consist of your sales strategies. Here you should explain the overall marketing strategy, pricing policy, sales terms, and method of selling or distributing products and services. Provide a plan of action to market and sell your product or service to the target customers you identified in Step 4, market analysis. Identify the different strategies you can use to build and grow your business over time. In this section, consider the risks the business faces, problems that may hinder marketing execution and potential. Step 6 will consist of your operational requirements. This is where you will focus on the ownership, business structure, and human resources side of your business. Use this area to introduce your team and the skills and expertise they bring to the table. Consider your staffing plan, number of employees, any facilities needed, or capital improvements. If your business requires manufacturing, explain the materials, sources of supply, and production method. Finally, Step 7 will consist of your financial projections. Show your financial history from the last 5 years, if applicable. Include your projections for the next 5 years. This first year should show projects on a quarterly basis, and the remaining 4 years on an annual basis. Include balance sheets, a cash flow statement, and capital expenditure estimates. In simple terms, how much do you need to earn each month to cover wages, rent, loans, equipment, and other expenses? After you have completed these 7 steps, you can include additional documents that support your plan if you feel it is applicable. Remember, a business plan isn't just paperwork, it's your roadmap. Start with these 7 steps, and you'll already be ahead of the game. For more help, visit your state's business website to see if there are any other specifications you need to include, and check out what organizations that are available to help with your business plan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Small Biz Forum. I'm Bill, and I'll see you in the next one.